Hey y'all, this is Megan from Made for Mermaids, and today we're going to make some adjustable bra straps. So you need some sliders and rings, and then your bra strap pieces. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your shorter loop piece and loop it through the ring, like that. You do the same thing with this one. And then with a narrow zigzag, we are going to stitch right under that ring to hold it in place. When I make these straps, I like to do it all in a row because I find it easier than working on one and then another. Then just trim those apart. So then you can just set those loops aside while we work on our strap. You'll take your slider piece and one end and slide it through like so. And we're going to stitch to hold that in place. Do the same thing with this one. Trim those threads and trim those apart. So now you have your two straps, and you're going to take the end and loop it through the ring. And now we're going to go back through the slider. So up. And then back through, and you pull. There's your strap. So again, strap through the ring. Then you're going to go back through your slider. And that's it. These are really so simple to make and quick. If you have any questions, you can ask down below and I'll try to answer them. See you later. Bye.